Hello and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV. Today we're taking a look at a used 2015 Forest River Sunseeker 2300. We'll do a walk around the outside and then go in and take a look. This Sunseeker was a past rental. It's got just under 35,000 miles, but very well taken care of. Hardly a speck on it. This model's got a ton of useful storage compartments on the outside. Of course, you got your generator, storage compartment there, access to the rear storage compartment, and you've got your sewer hose tucked away in here. You've got a black tank flush, outside shower, city water connection, access to the large storage compartment from the rear. From the side, you got another small compartment here. Tires are in great shape. Automatic awning. Let's go inside. Cab over bunk. Nice size TV that swings around. Touchscreen radio, backup camera. Good sized cabinets. Of course, your dinette would fold into a bed as well. Nice big stainless steel sink, microwave, hood vent, stovetop and oven, automatic refrigerator, large wardrobe closet, plenty of drawers, nice thick mattress, Serta mattress. Large medicine cabinet there. Got cabinets all the way across the back of the above the bed and then your bath. Nice size shower and a big skylight above and a vent. Again, this is a 2015 Forest River Sunseeker 2300, and I thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.